Hello and welcome to the Donation Exchange Inventory Setup module. During this tutorial, we will cover adding new items to your inventory, viewing those items, creating subgroups for particular items, and also managing your inventory matrix to reflect the inventory of donation items for your organization. Let's get started by logging into your Donation Exchange account as a donor, and please proceed to the Inventory tab of the toolbar and click Add Item. First, we'll discuss standard items, which means that there is one-of-a-kind item. You are able to donate more than one in the quantity. However, it shows that there are no subgroups to this item or certificates, and it's a standard item donation. Let's get started. Say we are donating a 1-hour massage. Keep that in as a standard item. I'm not going to select a category, and you can also enter the description and all of the item details according to your organization. Feel free to include as much information as you'd like or as short of a description. It is completely up to you how you'd like your items to appear in the inventory. You can enter the retail value and also the quantity in which you have to donate. For example, if you have 100 massage certificates to donate, please enter 100, and you have an available quantity of 100. And this will show our system and help you keep track of your inventory as you proceed with donating donations. When you are finished filling out the item information and the details, please click Save. Your item will now appear as a 1-hour massage standard item in your donation inventory. Now let's proceed to add another item that would have multiple subgroups to show you how to set up your inventory matrix. So for example, an item such as a sports team that may use as an autographed hockey puck. However, we understand that these different pucks are autographed by different players, and there needs to be an easy way to organize these. So under item type, please select that the item has multiple subgroups. This lets our system know that the item has multiple players that have different autographs on the different hockey pucks, and will help you control your inventory matrix accordingly to the inventory that you have left in your system. You don't need to fill out the quantity available in this part of the process because you will later complete this in your inventory matrix, along with the individual fair market value for each subgroup, as we know that different items, for example with different autographs, do have different market value. When finished setting the item up as a subgroup, click Save. The item will now appear in your donation items under Viewing Items. To proceed to set up your subgroups to reflect each item, click Subgroups under the Inventory tab on the left side of the screen. In athletics, which is the most of the time where the subgroups are used properly, just enter the player first name and last name according to the autographed hockey puck. And under the sort key, list the player's last name. As you can see, we already have some examples listed in here, so we'll continue with the tutorial, but feel free to go back and enter multiple subgroups, as many as you like, to reflect the donation items in your inventory. When finished, click Add Subgroup, and you will see that that subgroup appears under the list here. Moving forward, you're able to individualize each subgroup to reflect that particular donation item. Please proceed to your inventory matrix, where all the subgroups will appear underneath the items that have been entered. As you can see, some subgroups don't apply to that particular item, and in that case, you would leave all of these fields blank to show that you have no inventory of that player. So we have 2 hockey players there at the bottom. Let's say we have 20 Jonathan Toews hockey pucks valued at $150 each. And we have 10 Steve Yzerman pucks valued at $250 a piece. When finished filling out the matrix, please click Save. These items will now appear in your inventory matrix and will show you the quantity that you have available of that particular item. Autographed hockey puck, 30, and shows the value for each individual player. If you'd like to keep a record of your inventory on a hard copy on your computer, you're more than welcome to click Export Matrix, which will export your inventory matrix into an Excel spreadsheet to save. Proceeding back to add item, you are also able to create item types as digital certificates. If you're planning to donate a digital certificate to an event, please proceed to watch the tutorial on digital certificate modules, part 1 and 2, to walk through setting up the digital certificates and then fulfilling that process. You have now successfully set up your inventory, and you can move forward to the in-kind donation process, which will walk you through fulfilling donation requests using the inventory that you have set up. Thank you, and best of luck with your donations.